are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Let's go ahead and get right into our tutorial. What you will need for this project: you're going to get your outer fabric and we're going to be ironing on our inner facing. Once you finish ironing on your inner facing, we are going to measure 5.5 inches from this end and that end, both ends of the corners. We're going to be putting a strap in position. On the line that you mark, inside of it, you lay a strap. Go ahead and pin in place. And if you want, you can sew your tag on there. This is optional. Our next step is going to get our inner fabric, which is our lining. You want to turn your fabric right side facing each other. We're going to leave a 6-inch gap from the end here. And then we're going to sew all the way around. And then we're going to stop at the other line that we marked and leave a 6-inch gap right here. Go ahead and cut the 4 corners. Go ahead and flip this inside out. Go ahead and fold that gap and sew that gap up right there. Then we're going to sew all the way down here and all the way down here. We're going to be marking on these ends here. 2.5 inch, you're going to mark it. All 4 corners. Take your ruler and connect those 2 marks. Once you do that, let me just flip this over, and that same mark that we marked at, we're going to fold that up. We're going to pin that in place. And then we're going to sew on that line that we folded. And then we're going to sew this end as well. Once you finish sewing the 2 ends down, it's now going to look like that. Let's turn it over. And we're going to pull those corners out. And we're going to take our bag and we're going to fold it in half. Pin that in place. And then you're going to sew all the way down these 2 corners. Our next step is going to be, we're going to be folding these corners. So I'm going to grab the side of the bag about 1.5 inch up, mark that straight over, And you're gonna sew right across that line. And you're gonna do that for the other side as well. Two flaps are now sewn. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fold those two flaps up, and I'm gonna sew this onto here. Just sew these, connect these two, and then do the same thing to the other side and we finish. And that's it. And go ahead and flip your bag inside out. And there you have it. For y'all, I'm just so happy with everything. Beautiful. I love the fabric and the style. It's so pretty. That's it for our tutorial, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. Just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button below and thumbs up this video as well, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.